Dobro jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Friday. Thank God it's Friday, right? Friday, July 10th, 2020. I'm gonna do a daily message from Spirit for you guys today. I don't know why, but this morning there's really absolutely no rhyme or reason for this. But I had a mini panic attack. I haven't had a panic attack in probably a year at least. So I don't know. I don't know what that was all about. Just some random energy coming at me like that though. I didn't like it one bit. Yeah, I don't know if anybody's ever actually had a full-on panic attack, but it actually makes you feel like you're having a heart attack. Like I've actually had one so bad that I called, 911. I was rushed to the hospital, had an EKG, everything. Oh yeah, it's just a panic attack. It's amazing what your mind can do, isn't it? What your mind can actually make your body believe. And that's kind of what I'm talking about when I'm talking about illusions. And that's actually a perfect example. I didn't even think about that. I just started saying it. So, those of us who have experience with things like that, it's like your mind is so powerful that it can make your body believe that you're dying. I mean, think about that. Think about that for a minute. Okay? And remember how important it is to keep your thoughts positive. Okay. All right, so this message here, yeah, okay, again, okay, I said this in my Twin Flame Collective yesterday. Some of you, Source is telling you to ask for help. Okay? Some of you need to reconnect with Source. Some of you have been so stubborn and determined. And remember what I said about the difference between stubbornness and strength? Okay? Some of you have been trying to do this by yourself, and right now, Source is telling you, you can't. You need to reach out for help, but Source isn't going to help you unless you ask. Okay? So stop being so stubborn. It's okay to admit that you're stuck. It's okay to admit that you need help. Okay? I mean, some of you just need help with your healing aspects right now. Some of you are this is what you're healing. This is what you're healing, okay, is your resistance to help. Okay? All right? But once you get past that and you surrender to the fact that, yes, I need help, Source, help me out, please, that's when your clarity is going to come. Some of you have been trying to find clarity, but you realize you've been looking in the wrong place. Okay? Yeah. Some of you need to look in the mirror. Some of you really need to look at yourselves right now and ask yourself what is keeping you legitimately stuck in your illusions right now. Some of you are so stuck in your illusions, it's not even funny. Some of you are like, I don't have illusions. Okay, sure. All right. Whatever you say. But some of you, that's where your codependency is it's a pride thing. It's a pride thing. Okay? Let's just talk about asking for help, for example. The illusion is I don't need help. I can do this on my own, but yet everything around me is falling apart and I don't know what to do about it. Yet I'm still going to just keep going. I'm not going to ask for help. That's a pride thing. That is a codependency, okay, in a way. That is basically you being stubborn. That is resistance. Release the resistance. Okay? Yeah. Release the conflict. You don't need to have conflict about asking Source for help. That's what Source is for. Ask your spirit team. Ask whoever you want to ask. But Source, I specifically feel, is telling a lot of you, you need to ask for help from Source. We need the help. We need the strength. Okay? Yeah, I mean, some of you have been just over and over and over again disappointed. Some of you it's a third party situation. Some of you it's a love situation. Some of you it's a love connection, whatever it is. Okay, some of you have been just repeatedly disappointed over and over and over again. There's a lot of emotion coming up because of this, but the reason that these things are happening again is to turn you back to Source. Okay. And it's okay to ask for help. Release the what's the word I'm looking for? The guilt in asking for help. Okay, we all need help. I'm just as guilty as everybody else. Okay, so I'm kind of giving myself a lecture here. All right, I hate asking for help. I really do. I feel like I'm burdening somebody when I ask for help, but you can't burden source. You can't burden source. But honestly, I mean, ask somebody else for help. If there's a, that's why I created the forum. Check out the forum, divinepisces222.com/forum. Okay, ask for help from other people who are going through the same thing you are. That's what I put it there for. Okay, don't be afraid to do that. Okay, the energy is gaining momentum. A win-win forecast and healing. Look at this purple, guys. Look at this purple and this pink. This shows me, I mean, we've got crown chakra here and we've got third eye. So some of you just need to open up your channels. You really do, and you need to return to source. I mean, this color right here, this is the divine color, right? So some of you just need to do that, okay? But also understand that the things that are happening right now are happening for a reason. We need to come together. We need to raise our vibration as a collective to get through this. It's going to be very difficult. I feel like it's going to get a lot harder before it gets better. Okay, so just be aware of that. But either way, it's going to be fine. You have source on your back, right? Just take this time to heal and to clear what you need to clear. And once you do that, you can step fully into your purpose. I feel like a lot of you are going to be coming into your purpose very, very soon. Okay? So be aware of that. But there's something that you need to clear first. Okay? All right, guys, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.